Today we talk about how can you select, you can view photos of you on your pickup. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here and you click here on privacy here. So when you click here on privacy, it's going to take you to next step. Just waiting to open video. So then you go down here and you come here to photos. Then you click here on who can view photos of me. Just click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list to select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.